How to report inappropriate direct message. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to report inappropriate direct message. Go to your TikTok, and now all you need to do is click on those three buttons up there. Click on setting and privacy, and now scroll down, click on report a problem. Now scroll down again and click on direct message and click on report inappropriate direct message. They're gonna tell you to long press of the direct message that is inappropriate and click on report and follow the instruction. If this doesn't help you, all you need to do is click on no and click on need more help and send them the screenshot of the conversation or tap here your feedback, and they're gonna solve your problem about 24 hours. And this is it guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.